Brake inspection procedure. Here is the audio version of today's lesson plan. Front and rear brake mounting and hardware inspection. Step 1. Inspect the fluid level in the brake master cylinder reservoir located under hood. Red notes. Low brake fluid levels may indicate worn out brake pads, as it requires more fluid to leave the reservoir and fill the void in the caliper. Tip 2. Low fluid can also be a sign of a leaking brake line or brake system component. Step 2. Would the teacher raise and support the vehicle? Refer to lifting and jacking in the vehicle safety worksheet located in your binder. Step 3. Remove the tire and wheel assembly. Refer to tire wheel removal and installation exercise. Step 4. Grasp the brake caliper housing and try to move the brake caliper housing up and down and forward, reverse in relation to the brake caliper mounting bracket. If excessive looseness is observed, the brake caliper bracket bushing and or brake caliper mounting bolts may need to be replaced. Step 5. Inspect the brake pads through the top of the caliper bracket opening. It may be necessary at times to remove the caliper for proper visual and measuring of the brake pad. Step 6. Use a brake pad thickness measuring tool to measure the recorded thickness of every brake pad. The tool gives an accurate guide and can provide insight of when the brake pad will need to be changed. It is important to record measurements to keep on file and in the vehicle logbooks. Step 7. Inspect the brake surface of the brake rotor for the following braking surface conditions: heavy rust or pitting. Light surface rust can be removed with an abrasive disc. Heavy surface rust and or pitting must be removed by refinishing the rotor. This will be when you will need to use the brake lathe. Cracks and heat spots, excessive bluing discolorations also indicate seizing brake components. If the braking surface of the brake rotor exhibits one or more of the braking surface conditions, the rotor requires refinishing or replacement. Step 8. Using a calibrated micrometer, measure and record the thickness of the brake rotor. Refer to your micrometer lesson in your binder. Step 9. Compare readings to manufacturer specifications found in the service manual. Step 10. If the rotor is within specification, record the measurements for future references. Please fill in brake inspection sheet measurements below. Thank you.